The 10 most powerful trucks in the world. A heavy truck that can haul a 50-ton building onto the road. Only the bottom. The first place is too redundant to even have a steering wheel. Eliminate the dead machine and hit the road by yourself. Subvert the entire transportation arena. Truck. In my impression, I am a coolie transporter who works silently. But today, pulling goods is only a basic operation. Their power and technology have gone beyond measure. Comes with a 5-star bedroom from the cockpit. Microwave oven refrigerator. Running a long distance to a Volvo VL860 on vacation. Up to a 3-story building with a full load of 600 tons. To remove the king of the mines from a hill. Caterpillar. The 797 even sells for $500,000. A Porsche in a truck. Drivers moving palace Peterbilt 579. They may be the longest, or the most beautiful, or best off-road. This issue follows global sin. Enter the world's 10 most powerful trucks together. One is busier than the other. Looking forward to your subscriptions and likes. The 10th best fit. Have you ever seen a truck towing a small buildings weighing up to 50 tons? Are you driving on the highway, long-distance trunk lines in Northern Europe, and the outback highways of Australia? The Volvo FH16 is just like that. He's like a Meek, the mighty Nordic behemoth. Silently transporting goods weighing hundreds of tons from mountains, transported to the other side of the sea. The FH16 is the flagship of the Volvo truck family. The 16 in the name comes from his 16 raw diesel engine. The explosive power of this engine, like a tireless torrent. It can last for hours, pushing a total weight of over 300 tons forward and in the cab, but still as quiet as in a family car. The most admirable thing about him. Not only can you pull more, it's being able to use that great power very steady like a strong man moving the piano. Don't move in a hurry. You can turn and reverse accurately. Thanks to his intelligent transmission system. FH16 is facing a steep slope, slippery road, even in winter when it snows. Still maintains smooth traction. There will be no panic. This truck often appears in scenarios that require extreme transportation, like a closed generator blade. Several giant excavators, tens of tons of steel beams, just beyond the reach of ordinary trucks. And FH16 and these big guys do their day jobs. His drivers are often the envy of their peers. Because of the FH16, it's like having a throne on the highway. The design of the FH16 is simple and advantageous. Founder's cab seems to be made for long-distance combat. Matches the streamlined front face. Not only mighty, aerodynamics are also taken into account. After all, every bit of fuel saved on the highway. It's all real money for long-distance transportation. In the world of heavy trucks, F16 is not just a byword for power. He is also a symbol of durability and stability. His existence. Let the movement of the pool and the stability of the pool become the same thing. This is how he can grow globally. Reasons to earn respect in transportation circles. 9th place is the heaviest. If the announced Volvo FH16 is a behemoth, then Caterpillar 7972 is the ancestor of the behemoth. His existence is not announced at all. He walked humans with dynamite and shovels. Split mine pit. If you subtract 797F, you will feel yourself like straying into the world of giants. His height approaches that of a 3-story building. Tires are a lot taller than adult men. Just one tire weighs over 5 tons. It weighs more than an average car. The weight of the vehicle, when fully loaded, can easily break through 600 tons, one of the fastest moving surfaces on Earth. His task was simple and crude. The ore dug up from the ground, hundreds of tons at a time. Each trip is filled with a small mountain. The weight of this is due to the stand's displacement of nearly 117 liters, diesel engines with more than 4,000 horsepower. Thunder in a low voice to my brother. But don't think he's just a big, strong guy. Caterpillar was designing 7972. It also takes into account the extreme conditions of the mining area. High temperature and low temperature, dust, mud. These are just everyday things for him. His hydraulic system, braking systems and driver assistance equipment are specially reinforced. Make sure the driver is in the high cab, can still precisely control this behemoth. In the mines, 7972 is not just a means of transportation with productivity. It works seamlessly with giant forklifts. A shovel-shaped chamber is poured directly into the firebox. Fill up in minutes. Then shuttle at a steady speed. Between the mine and the processing area, each additional 797F. It means the sunrise tonnage of the mine can be much larger. From the sky. How many 797? Driving slowly on the winding road of the mining area. It's like a giant tan train. Resolute and leisurely. He doesn't ask for speed, but the most stable at one time. This extreme heavy capacity. Let him deserve to be the representative of the heaviest trucks. The 8th best off-road in the world of trucks. The fate of most models is running at a flat high speed or on a straight national highway. But Tita 815 took a different path. A strip covered with mud. Covered with stones. Wild roads across rivers and hillsides. Tita brand from Czech Republic. With more than a century of military service, history of off-road truck manufacturing, and the T815 series is one of the legends. He doesn't look flamboyant. No ultra-luxurious cab. No exaggerated aerodynamic kit. But just give him one. A route that ordinary trucks can't even imagine. He just can be used in a pose that doesn't matter. Pass calmly. His secret weapon. It is a unique central museum frame. And independent swing half-axis suspension. And the simple answer is this. This structure makes the whole. The car has amazing torsion axle in off-road style. The wheels could be like the hands and feet of a rock climber. Independent claw grip. Even if 2 of the 4 wheels are suspended, he can still move on. This off-road adaptability. Even some professional military armored vehicles hope. Out of reach. The common driving form of the 815 series is 668*8. There are even more exaggerated 1010 versions. Every wheel can be obtained. Strong driving force, plus high ground clearance. Waterproof and breathable system and super weighting ability. Leave it in the desert, marsh, snow, mountain. It can be like a duck to water in various extreme terrains, such as the Earth. It is not only a good helper for civil engineering, it is the pet of the armies of various countries. Body 815 is often seen in transporting barycenter weapons, engineering equipment, even as a missile launch platform, in disaster relief and polar expeditions, etc. He also appears frequently in the video of the off-road challenge. Body 815 often faces the almost vertical Nepal, the rivers or boulders of mercy. The driver just puts himself in low gear. The engine roared low. The body swings slightly, then like a beast of steel. Slowly climb to the other side. The temperament of this natural wild deer. Let him deserve it. Become a representative of the most off-road capable trucks. 7th place for the most design sense. If a truck can be a work of art on the road. Michael International Longstar. Absolutely the jewel of this gallery. He broke the tough industrial feel of traditional trucks. It's very futuristic, design style mixed and matched with retro. Become the most eye-catching presence on the road. Longstar's exterior design is very unique. Wide dug. Like an open mouth. Domineering. Smooth lines and body contours. Brings a sense of visual movement and power. It's like the perfect combination of a muscle car and a classic truck. High and raised hood design. Not only handsome, but also easy to maintain. Embodied by the Mike brand on function and beauty. The pursuit of balance and learning. Driving is the same cloth book inside. The appearance is made of high-quality materials. Exquisite stitching and vintage wood grain decoration. Create a warm and luxurious atmosphere. The seat is comfortable and supports multiple adjustments, equipped with a wealth of technical equipment. For example, large-size, multi-function display advanced sound systems and intelligent connected systems. Make the driving experience more enjoyable. And here's what's interesting. Longstar supports high customization. The owner can choose the color according to their preference, lights and trim. Create your own personalized truck. No matter if you like classic vintage or the future of technology, Longstar can satisfy your aesthetic. In terms of performance, Longstar is powered by a powerful diesel engine. Energetic. Capable of handling a variety of complex working conditions, meeting long-distance transportation and heavy-duty requirements. Suspension system and chassis design optimize off-road performance, guarantee driving stability and comfort. This truck is not just a means of transportation, it's a status symbol. Every non-star. It's all about craftsmanship and design. Driving it on the road is definitely the focus of the highway. Demonstrate the driver's unique taste and attitude. The 6th most expensive in the world of luxury trucks. Peterbilt 579, with its outstanding design and extreme comfort. Sitting at the pinnacle of the high-end market, become many truck drivers. The dream moving palace. A top 579. Selling for a staggering $500,000. You know, this price is almost. Get a Porsche 911 Turbo S. A Tesla Model S plant. Even a Mercedes S-Class with a long wheelbase. Limousine. Imagine that. The luxury and performance of these luxury cars, all in one truck. Peterbilt 579. It's one that combines the luxury sedan class. Comfortable and high-end powered big guy. Why is it so expensive? Let's talk about the ingredients first. The interior of the 579 features a large amount of high-end genuine leather, solid wood trim and metal details. The workmanship is fine to every stitch. Every line shows quality. The seat supports multiple adjustments, heating and ventilation, equipped with advanced audio and large touchscreen. Central control system and navigation, entertainment and vehicle condition monitoring in one. Highly intelligent. Let's talk about safety and driver assistance systems. 579 equipped with lane keeping, adaptive cruise. Top-level configurations, such as collision links, ensuring the safety and comfort of long-distance driving. These high-end configurations. It is the strength guarantee behind the high price. Power. This truck, equipped with a 475 horsepower high-efficiency diesel engine, powerful and fuel-efficient. meet the requirements of various complex working conditions. Of course, talking about Peterbilt. Can't help but mention the legendary models in his family. Peterbilt 389. He is in the movie Transformers. Prototype of Optimus Prime, classic retro styling and tough lines. Made a steel hero on the road. And 579 represents the pinnacle of family modernization. The perfect combination of luxury and technology. So Peterbilt 579, not only is it one of the most expensive trucks, it is unparalleled for drivers. The top of the comfort and safety experience, level mobile space, for truck drivers who pursue the ultimate in quality. 579 is undoubtedly a worthwhile investment. The fifth most luxurious. When you mention the luxury driving of trucks, Volvo VL860. Yes, it cannot be bypassed. It's like a room. A luxury house with 5-star facilities. Allows drivers to enjoy the comfort of the journey. It also enhances the happiness of long-distance driving. The cockpit design of this truck. Extreme attention to ergonomics and comfort. Spacious and bright cockpit. High-quality soft leather seats are used. Support multiple adjustment and heating functions, even if you drive for 10 hours straight. You don't get tired. Excellent silence in the car. Isolates the engine from external noise. This allows drivers to focus more easier. Another highlight of the VL860, when it is intelligently configured, it comes with a large touchscreen. Center console supports navigation, entertainment and traffic monitoring, all the information at a glance. There is also an intelligent voice control system in the car. The driver can adjust the air conditioner in just one sentence, broadcast navigation, or answer the phone. Greatly reduce driving distractions. The lighting system is equally luxurious. Let ambient light according to time and environment. Automatically adjust brightness and color. Create a warm driving atmosphere. There is also a large refrigerator and microwave in the car. It is convenient for drivers to use hot rice and hot dishes at any time. Stay away from fatigue and hunger. Spacious sleeping space. Equipped with premium mattress and adjustable lighting, helping drivers during breaks get better sleep quality. And there's something more intimate. There are also multiple lockers in the sleeping area and USB charging port. Make all kinds of essential items and electronic devices can be stored in an orderly manner. Keep the cockpit tidy. Security aspects. The VML860, equipped with the latest driver assistance systems, includes lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking and blind spot monitoring, ensuring safe long-distance driving, especially on the highway. Intelligent cruise control helps reduce the burden of driving. Improve fuel efficiency. The Volvo VL860 is not just one. Transportation is more like a driver's home on the road. He uses extreme comfort, smart and safe, redefining the standard for luxury trucks. Fourth all-terrain king when it comes to all-terrain trucks. Ford F450 Super Duty. Definitely the toughest of the toughest. He is more than just a truck. More like an armored beast. Facing the mud, sand and gravel steep slope. He's not afraid of anything. Whether you're pulling goods or dragging heavy objects, the L450 can be easily controlled. Is the true king of all-terrain? This L450 Super Duty, carrying 6.7 liters of Pilesto V8 turbo diesel engine. Maximum bull run up to 1,900 torque performance is overwhelming, ready to explode with strong thrust. We're climbing mountains and mountains, or the quagmire. It has a reassuring power reserve. Don't worry about turning off the flame at all. It's a 4-wheel drive system, with high-strength suspension design. Allows vehicles to easily navigate extremely rough road conditions, whether it's slippery mud, or a mountain road paved with gravel. The L450 can charge forward steadily. The body chassis is designed with enhanced protection, defend against branches, scratch damage of stones, truly worrying-free in the wild. The cockpit interior is also very comfortable. Support multiple driving auxiliary features, descending like a steep slope, electronic differential lock and traction control system. Enhance driving safety and handling stability. Even if you are a novice driver, it can also easily handle various complex road conditions, and the M450's towing ability is extremely strong. Can tow loads up to 13 tons. With a specially designed trailer braking system. Make sure the rear of the car is still stable when towing heavy surfaces. Safe without discount, whether it is industrial equipment or off-road trailers. He can do it. All-terrain movers who move mountain tops. In addition to that, Ford on the F450. It is also equipped with a variety of high-tech configurations such as intelligent 4-wheel drive system, multi-camera surround view assist, helps drivers gain a comprehensive understanding of the vehicle's surroundings, precision control, prevent accidents from happening. Ford F450 Super Duty. Not only is it a top representative of off-road trucks, more power, intelligent and durable all-terrain overlord. It turns no road into a road. Any bad terrain is not a problem. Really take you to places that others can't go. Third place for long cargo transportation. On the battlefield of transporting oversized cargo, Scania S650, the heavyweight champion who carried the flag. This is no ordinary truck, but a dedicated, an iron warrior born to challenge the limits. Why do you say so? because he can handle those things. A dawning supergiant. From wind turbine blades, bridge construction, to large machinery. Easy to handle. The core advantage of this S650. Not just configuration parameters. It was his incredible frame. Strength and durability. Chassis made of high-strength steel. Plus enhanced suspension system. Enables him to withstand extreme loads and torque. Guaranteed to transport over long and overweight goods over a long period of time. Keep the body as solid as a rock. No deformation. No loose. Imagine that. Wind turbine blades are usually more than 70 meters long. Transporting such overly long goods requires the ultimate in truck stability and safety. Scania S650. With its high-strength frame and sophisticated electronic stabilization systems with multi-axis trailer combination, not only can it ensure the safety and stability of the goods, it can also effectively distribute reduce pressure on the road surface. And not only that, Scania, the powertrain of the S650 is equally powerful. 650 horsepower engine with advanced transmission. Make it on steep slopes and rough roads. It's stable and dynamic. Make sure the goods arrive at their destination on time. In long-distance transportation, powerful braking system, and intelligent driver assistance technology. It also provides double protection for drivers. The frame of this truck is very sturdy. It's like a skeleton of steel. Therefore, it is particularly suitable for transporting very heavy goods or something really big. Whether it's moving large factory equipment in and out, or shipping huge steel structures, even transporting special heavy machinery. It is undoubtedly not the stage for the S650 to show off its talents. For those who need to ship over. For large businesses and drivers. Select the Scania S650 is to choose the ultimate safety and reliability. It's not just a shipping machine. It is also the patron saint of the field of ultra-long cargo transportation. Make extreme transportation manageable and efficient. The second best understands long-distance drivers for a long-distance transportation. Maybe the driver for a whole week. Maybe even longer. The bumps in the road, loneliness at night, and countless refueling breaks determine what this truck is for the driver. The degree of importance is by no means comparable to that of ordinary passenger cars. MAN TGS 8.6 Pro. Officially so, tailored for drivers who value quality of life. His cockpit is more than just a console. More like a cozy haven. For example, the seat can not only be adjusted 360 degrees, can fit the back and lumbar spine of drivers of different body types. Spine stops protesting when driving for long periods of time. His heating and ventilation system brings a cool breeze in the hot summer. The cold winter is as intimate as a heater. The sound insulation inside the car is amazing. Don't underestimate that. Resting on the side of the highway at night, there's no noise. Drivers can quickly fall into deep sleep. Woke up the next day feeling refreshed. More responsive. Driving is safer. And the cab layout is scientific and reasonable. All buttons and touch screens are designed smoothly. Easy to use. Drivers don't need to take their eyes off the road as often as possible. Security is greatly improved. Combined with the intelligent driver assistance system, toward adaptive cruise and lane keeping. It can help drivers relieve a lot of operating pressure. The sleeping area is also a highlight, more spacious than a regular truck sleeper. Comfortable mattress and soft lighting offer drivers a real opportunity at any time. Space to rest. For many drivers, this is when they are far from home. The warmest second home. In terms of fuel economy, MAN TGS engines and drivetrains. Optimized for good performance, save a lot of cost for drivers and fleets. It is both environmentally friendly and real improvement in operational efficiency. MAN TGS is 8.6 for understand the hard work of long-distance drivers. He not only makes driving easier, we prioritize rest and quality of life. His comfort is not superficial, but go into every inch of design detail. Let the driver really feel. Driving can feel as comfortable as at home. The first drunk think tank. If the traditional truck is the cavalry of the fuel age, then Tesla is stuffed, is to drive into the smart electric, future warriors of the new era. It's more than just a truck. It's about autonomous driving, electric drive and intelligent networking, super mobile endpoint in one. It is revolutionizing the traditional model of the freight industry. The highlight of this car is the extreme sense of technology. It's equipped with a Tesla, the most advanced autonomous driving system and sensing hardware. Support automatic lane change, autopilot, lane keeping, intelligent cruise and other auxiliary features. Significantly reduce driver fatigue and accident risk. Whole car height digital design. The cockpit is equipped with a huge touchscreen. Intuitive and convenient operation. It's like driving a smart computer. As a pure electric truck, SEMA brings zero emissions and a nearly silent driving experience. Completely solve the noise of traditional trucks. The problem of heavy pollution. This is for the long-term costs of urban environmental protection and operators are of great significance. However, battery life has always been the focus of electric trucks. Tesla semi-officially announced it can run about 800 kilometers on a single charge, close to the needs of most long-distance transportation. But the reality depends on the weight of the goods, coronation climate and other factors. When the highway is full of heavy objects, battery life will be reduced. Charging time and charging network coverage. It also directly affects operational efficiency. Fast refueling compared to traditional fuel trucks. The charging weight for electric trucks remains a challenge. However, Tesla has built extensive supercharging network and equipped with high-power fast-charging technology, greatly shortens the charging time. At the same time, the high efficiency and low maintenance cost of electric motors. In the long run, it is expected to offset the inconvenience caused by battery technology continues to advance, and the popularity of charging facilities. Battery life anxiety will gradually ease. The Tesla Tripulse is more than just a truck. It is the future of intelligent transportation, a crucial part of the ecosystem. It can be integrated with Tesla's solar and energy storage systems, seamless docking, realizing a closed-loop supply of green energy, driving the transportation industry towards sustainable development. In summary, although the battery life and charging of electric trucks, there is also a reality test. But Tesla SEMA uses its leading intelligence, technology, and environmental philosophy. It's leading the trucking industry towards a more intelligent and efficient and green future. He is very likely become the main force of future road transportation, create a new era of freight transportation, the 10 most powerful trucks in the world. Which one would you most like to own? Leave a message to tell me. Remember to subscribe to like, share. Global Best Daily Update. See you tomorrow.